everybody, it's Meka from Yes Please Planning. In this video, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of my B6 Planner Society notebook. If you are looking for more detail, more explanation for what I did throughout the book, I will do that in a separate video that will be a lot longer. So let me just quickly walk through what we are seeing here. So I'm kind of in love with bows for all of my planners right now. This one is from Dainty K Plans. It was from last year, so I'm not really sure she currently stocks it. And then this should be in stock at K&Co XOXO. This planner comes, of course, with just the printed pattern here, and I added a transparent sticker from the Happy Planner. The papers are from the Planner Society kit, and most of everything you see here is the May 2018 Planner Society kit, and the planner, the Traveler's Notebook itself, was an add-on that you could purchase to match the kit. This is my note section, so I have some page flags, sticky notes, dot grid, graph. This graph insert I made, and you should be able to find it in B6 size on yespleaseplanning.com. It does not include the cute icons here. These are personal use, available in the Planner Society digital shop. In order to make the design of this setup cohesive, I picked a couple of elements that I wanted to repeat. So one thing I did was to use a border punch on some cardstock and repeat that on the different inserts, as well as some ribbon layered on top of it. The kit did not include a whole lot of black and white, but I wanted to add some of that in there just to kind of make the designs pop out a little bit more. This insert, I haven't been able to use it a whole lot, just added a couple things, but I found it not too long ago at the 99-cent store, believe it or not. But it has here the months, year at a glance, contact, and even has some budgeting papers and pages in there. This was from the kit, and I added some washi, and I have just some loose note pages in here that I could take out quickly. This little notepad was from last year's Planner Society kit that has a similar theme and color scheme. These white paper clips, you can find them at K&Co XOXO on Etsy, and you can use Meka15 for any of your K&Co purchases for a discount. This acetate came in the kit, and this is my memory keeping insert. I made a new insert, slightly different format. Here I have dot grid across the bottom, and then space for Saturday and Sunday. I made it freeform without labeling it so that I can turn it around and then make this Sunday up here if I wanted to, or just basically just be able to play with the format however I choose to. And this is its dashboard here, and it's housing another insert right in there, but it's a dashboard, and then it's a pocket as well. So I've added some Velcro to have it closed. If you want to see if you want a video tutorial for how I made this, let me know in the comments. It's basically just an envelope type of construction with an extra paper glued onto the back. I don't know if that makes sense, but just let me know in the comments if that's what you want to see. My wellness section, you've seen this before. I changed the format a little bit. Rather than breakfast, lunch, dinner, it still has a space for protein, vegetables, and the other categories of food. And then I kind of added a note section here, and then condensed the habit tracker down below. This is on yespleaseplanning.com as a download. So you can see more of that border that I applied to make everything tie in together. And this pouch It didn't come with the holes. I poked holes and added a string, looped it through, and then I have all of the main things that I use when I'm actually planning. This was a laminating pocket that I added some gold sequins in and then just laminated it like that. It's actually a bookmark, but since I haven't really started using this new setup, I just have it back here tucked in. Page flags from the kit. These pop right off. They're just applied with washi tape. This is a daily notebook from May Designs that I got from the Go Wild conference. And then I have some extra stickers that I plan to use from Sass Plans, or Shimmers and Sparkles Plans. I will link her down below. Now again, if you want to see more detail and have more explanation for everything, stay tuned for my more detailed video where I talk about how I made the different things, maybe do some mini tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you sharing your time with me, and make sure you come and say hi on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Bye bye.